Well, on my watch, it's 4:04 on Friday after a 3-day conference. So thank you for all of you who have come here and really brought us to the finish line. You know, where to start? There's one thing I noticed as I reflect on the last 3 days is we see people in this room who have brought their heart and their soul into this work. And when we do that, it's a gift to each other to learn together and to grow together and to help move our country forward together. So we all come from different backgrounds, different perspectives, and that's the benefit. It's the benefit of true participation, because we're not always going to agree sometimes with what each other are saying, but we want to have open dialogue, and that's what helps move us forward as a country, as a community. So sometimes we do have these uncomfortable conversations that help lead to change. And sometimes we sit in these tensions, bearing our heart and our soul into these conversations because it's our life's experience, our life's work, and we have to grow together. And we've done that over the last 10 years. This is the 10th summit, and look how much we have changed in this field in the last 10 years. We know we have room to grow, and we continue to do so. So summit after summit, we listen, we come together. And this organization started because there were different views, different perspectives, and it was very hard for government to listen. Now, where are we at? We're at the cusp of a national strategy. We know, we're guaranteed legislatively that something will happen by this October. So, you know, there's challenging conversations. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done, but think about where we started, where this movement started. It was really aptly summarized by Tanya yesterday in her opening, and the Honorable Mike Lake. Think about where we've come from as a country, the shoulders of those who have stood on. And I just encourage you to invite you to continue in this dialogue, that we can continue to learn together, continue to progress together, to advocate together, and to help implement what we know is going to be a national strategy together. So let me now go to my notes. Okay, so I think there's going to be a slide that's going to be flashed up with the evaluation survey, if we can get that. Yeah, so speaking of learning together, every year we do have that impact report where we do want to continue to improve what we do, and all the feedback we put on there. There's parts that are, we would share publicly. It's indicated, so please do. It's about the voice of community, and that's every single voice here. We want to be very transparent about what we learn and how we improve and how we adjust what we do every year. So that's very valuable to us, so please do fill it out. There's some questions about, their parallel sessions, and a lot of people were, oh, which one should I go to? Interesting things. So, and throughout the conference, the live stream sessions are going to be recorded. It's going to be shared on our website. As an attendee and as a member, you will be able to get access to that once we're able to clean it up and put it together. So be patient with us, but we will get that to you soon. Also, if you're not a member and you want to get access, do become a member of the Alliance. Continue to have your voice inform the national conversation moving forward. Also, for members, just want to announce that our AGM date has been established for this year. The AGM will be on May 16th at 9 Pacific, 12 Eastern. That will be sent to you shortly. And I wanted to thank all the people, the supporters and the people who have made this possible. So if you are a staff member, a board member, a volunteer for those note-taking sessions, the Munson Award Committee, I want you guys to start coming up. We're going to do a photo of all those folks. So I'm going to start listing, grateful for the support of the members of our staff who have really kept the ship running in the background, a hybrid discussion session on different tables, bilingual. It was a logistical nightmare, honestly, but there's been so much support from the face-to-face team and our staff. So please come on up. I know people are embarrassed and don't want to, but they're working for me, so they have to. So come on, let's go. So yeah, grateful for the support of, okay, just stand up, okay, no need to go, okay. Yeah, so just want to say thank you. Okay, thank you, Karen. Yeah, so look, I give the list of names, I'm going to miss somebody. Deepa, Raki, Francesca, April, Irwa, Simone, Marina, Vanessa, Paige, Analpa, our data policy fellows, Angela, I don't know if you're still here. I think I saw you just earlier. Mackenzie, Alexia, Grant. I don't know if Grant's here still. For the volunteers who were part of the Summit Planning Committee, Reba, Cindy, for Whitney and Tom, who presented that great video on the handoff of that envelope. So thanks, and Kim and Marg. And to all our supporters, all the organizations who have really made this possible. This summit is it costs money to be at the Fairmont. Just saying. For all the supporters who have been able to do this, the Joyce Family Foundation, the Sini Family Foundation, Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation, Israeli Foundation, the Canucks Autism Network, Geneva Center for Autism, the Center for Interdisciplinary Research and Collaboration in Autism, CIRCA, to Ontario Brain Institute, Autism Home Base with their Zenden, Staples Canada, Carey's Place Autism Services, Kids Brain Health Network, Canuck Child and Family Services, Sonderbloom, STEP Global, Tim Hortons, Inclusion BC, McGill University Summer School for School Psychology, Summer Institute for School Psychology, Autism Ontario, Rogers Communication, I'm almost there, McMaster Autism Research Team, Holland Blueview Kids Rehabilitation Hospital, Autism Nova Scotia, and Substance Care. So a long list, and I went fast, but all of these folks who have, given, who believe in what we're doing to bring all of us together and have this dialogue and have this conversation. So I think that's all I have, so thank you.